Now, Mikey Smith is probably one of the most proactive flat earthers out there. He has devoted his entire life to it. So much so that now even his car is a flat earth advert on wheels. Don't believe me? You will after this video. Hello all and welcome along to another episode of Flat Earth Friday with me, Simon Dan. Thank you very much for joining me. Before we begin today, a huge thank you to the sponsors of today's video, Extra Wallets. Extra is known for inventing the first trackable wallet. And now they're on a mission to upgrade the rest of your carry essentials with sustainable wallets, bags and accessories that help you get more out of your day. Now, it's half the size of a conventional wallet, but it carries over 12 cards plus cash. You can access all of your cards at the click of a button with this signature trigger mechanism here. It's got built-in RFID blocking, and that protects you from data theft and wireless skimming. And it's made from environmentally friendly materials, like vegan Italian leather and space-grade aluminium. And now they've got this brand new Finder card. With this in your wallet, you will never lose it again. Now you can add that Finder card to your Find My app on your iPhone or Apple device. Have a look here on mine. And you'll get a notification the moment you move too far away from your tracker. And you can ring it from your iPhone up to 300 feet away. So if you've misplaced it in your house or somewhere like that, the 75 decibel ring will tell you just where it is. And it charges in minutes as well. Now Extra are having a summer sale with 25% off, but with my code SIMANDAN, all of you can have up to 30% off. Just click the link in the description and use my code SIMANDAN to get your 30% off. Right, back to today's video where Mikey Smith has an idea to conduct another one of his famous experiments. But before that, a quick walk around of his new Flerfmobile.
Alright guys, we're going to go through this one more time. I'm going to delete the last walk around I did because we have a new addition.
Amazing, isn't it?
To the car. So we've got obviously the billboard on top, which we've had for I don't know how long, a little over a month I guess. And I've got the magnetic signs for the side of the car. And see, the sheep don't understand that sign because they're too infatuated with Flintstones and Barney and Sesame Street. So,
oh my word, he's got a flat earth number plate. What? It doesn't make complete sense though. Earth's foot. I'm sure you like it, Mikey.
And the one and only, the Star Sirius. Absolutely beautiful.
Yes, this grown man has a picture of a giant out of focus star on his car.
November 29th of 2023. And of course we've got another, this is a cartoon. And some more signage up on top.
All nonsensical memes that have been long debunked.
A little breezy out in the country, I think so, but we've done some minor adjustments. This 2x2 that's in behind here used to stick out more and used to be like all flappy because it was on hinges. Now we've got it dead bolted right nice and solid, so that doesn't shift at all. So we should be good to go in the wind.
What happens if you drive into a car park that's got a height limit? Can you easily remove it?
And our wonderful new addition. This is not magnetic, this is permanent. Absolutely beautiful. This is where you live.
No one lives on the bonnet of your car, Mikey. Or on a space pizza for that matter.
If you're not aware of that, I would highly recommend doing some research. Yeah. And we'll maybe do some demonstrations later today. I brought the trolls, the toy trolls with me. And it's all good to go.
Excellent. Now, let's see this experiment from Mikey then, shall we? He has a spirit level and Well, you'll see what he's doing. Here we go.
Alright guys, getting the spirit level out, showing the horizon from the left, from the east to the west, nice and flat and level.
Sorry, wanted to give you the chance to stop laughing. Now of course, from this point of view here that Mikey has, his spirit level across is not covering a huge amount of distance of the Earth. And if you look at the amount of land between him and the horizon in front of him, it doesn't seem to be that far. I think a good estimate for the circumference of Earth covered by his spirit level would be around 1 mile here, and I think that's generous too. And of course there's no way that your eye will pick up any curvature across that 1 mile.
That's how we do it here in this world. Move this without losing my I'll just get it level again as usual. So again, we're going to go from the south to the north, nice and level and flat.
Car's in the way, Mikey. But again, even with your camera that close to the spirit level, the distance you're covering across the spirit level of Earth is not enough to see curvature.
Spectacular car in the way here. Again, the flat earthers are out here doing the work, looking for the curve, but we are not seeing it anywhere.
Well, you are, and in fact Jaren once did as well. How did that pan out?
Enrique, how high is your light?
17 feet.
I mean, it's as we don't see you, Enrique. Lift up your light way above your head. Interesting.
Yes, it was interesting, but perhaps even more interesting is trying to use a spirit level to prove the Earth is flat. That's the equivalent of me using this little safety pin here to try and prove curvature on a hot air balloon. And no, I wouldn't break the balloon with this either. In actual fact, it's worse than that, because this little safety pin needle here is way bigger than your spirit level if we're talking about scale on that example.
Okay, so then we go from the west to the east, like we just did. I'll do some adjustments here, make sure the spirit level is level. And of course, again from the west, nothing is deviating from center.
Now, that horizon looks further away, for sure, but you are still not covering enough land to be able to see curvature there.
Let's back up a bit here more so we can get more of a...
Can anyone actually believe he's doing this? Seriously?
better luck. So yeah, again, just checking. No, still no curvature anywhere. I'll just do a, sorry that it's windy out here. Let's do a 360 here. That's what we do here.
Great. You want to see where that 360 circle is that you've just created on the globe? Here you go. That is a tiny circle, isn't it? Pretty sure you aren't seeing any curve in there.
Again, I could go to the top of a mountain if we had mountains here in Saskatchewan, but we don't. And you would see absolutely no curvature whatsoever.
Ah, yes, but I think if you did this test on the ISS, I think that you would.
One more time here. We'll put this down. And we will show that the level is level, showing that again from north to south. See, these are the things that globies and the flat earthers never do, especially the debaters. They'll debate on the side, on the color of their white socks, how white they actually are, and they'll debate about that for 2 or 3 hours.
Of course, the irony there is a debate about that probably makes more sense than a debate about the shape of the Earth.
Complete waste of time. Nobody actually gets out and does any physical work or experiments.
Jaren did.
Lift up your light way above your head. Interesting.
Providing proof of where they live. Hopefully it's not too windy here, but thank you very much, guys.
Thank you, Mikey, for giving us endless sources of entertainment. I do love the car. I suspect it'll do more harm than good for your cause, honestly. But hey ho, and that means we are all done and dusted for another Flat Earth Friday. Let me know in the comments what you think of the Flerfmobile. Is it up your street or a bit of a laughing stock? Thanks so much for watching today. Thank you very much indeed. It is truly appreciated. If you enjoyed this episode, please do hit the subscribe button. And if you really enjoyed it, a thumbs up would be appreciated too. Just enough time to once again thank Extra Wallets for sponsoring this video. Remember, click the link in the description and use my code SIMANDAN to get that 30% off. I've been Simon Dan. Have yourselves a great day, and I'll see you all tomorrow for another Saturday session and some more science humour. See you then.